It says x squared is equal to root of 8x. So you're required to solve for the values of x in this question. Okay. Now, first things first, you can say, since we have square root sign here, to eliminate the square root sign, we'll square both sides. So we have x squared, okay, is equal to roots and square cancel each other to give us only 8x, alright? Now we have x squared is written as x raised to the power of 4 to be equal to 8x, alright? From here we can say that x raised to the power of 4 minus 8x is equal to 0. Okay? Let's now factor out x. So we have x into x cubed minus 8 to be equal to 0. Okay? Now we have that the product of systems is equal to 0. When the product of systems is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to 0 or x cubed minus 8 is equal to 0. Now 8 is something as 2 cubed. So we have x cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can use the law of difference of 2 cubes to solve this. So for the law of difference of 2 cubes, we have that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay? Applying this law here, we're going to have that x cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, which is 4. Moving on from here, we can now say that when the product of things is equal to 0, again, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x minus 2 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 2, or x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, we are going to have that x here is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, x here will be equal to minus b is this, b is 2, okay? So minus b will minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 1 is 16. Okay, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. And this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, this is root of negative 12 all over 2. This is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of negative 12 is something else. So when we have root of negative 12, it's equal to root of 4 times root of 3 times I, which is root of negative 1. And this is something as root of 4 is 2 root 3 I, or you can say 2I root 3. So you can also write 2I root 3 divided by 2. Okay? So finally, x here will become equal to negative 1 plus or minus I root 3. Okay? Now, this is the fourth answer for x in this question. Remember that answers for x are x is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, and x equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.